The Ministry. Welcome to the Ministry of AI, where we dive deep into the latest trends, discoveries, and discussions happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're uncovering the insights from an intriguing research paper titled Generative AI in Computer Science Education: Accelerating Python Learning with ChatGPT. This work was led by a team of experts, including researchers from Johns Hopkins University and Great Learning. As we all know, the demand for digital literacy is skyrocketing in the workforce, and programming skills, especially in Python, are increasingly essential. But traditional teaching methods often fall short, especially in adult education, where learners come with varying backgrounds and experience. This paper seeks to bridge that gap. The authors focused on a unique approach, integrating OpenAI's ChatGPT into a self-paced Python programming course within a 16-week professional training program. A total of 86 adult learners participated, with varying levels of programming experience. The exciting part? This integration aimed to support code generation, interpretation, and debugging tasks, all while fostering deeper learning through AI-assisted dialogue. Through a robust methodology, including assessments spanning 30 tasks, the study employed a mixed design ANOVA to analyze learners' progress. Initial results highlighted a significant gap in performance for novices. However, the real kicker came after completing the accelerated Python module. The differences between groups faded, indicating that ChatGPT effectively helped close those skill gaps and fostered programming proficiency for everyone, no matter their starting point. One of the key findings underscores the potential of using generative AI to democratize access to tech skills, providing immediate feedback and encouraging independent problem solving. However, it also raises an important caution. While AI can expedite learning, it is crucial to balance AI assistance with traditional instructional practices to avoid over-reliance. So, what's next for this line of research? Future studies may explore long-term retention and real-world application of these skills, ensuring that learners not only grasp foundational knowledge, but can also navigate complex programming challenges confidently. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time,